Hi guys, this is Dhananjay here from MOKSH and I'm the CEO of MOKSH. Let me introduce you the basic faculty that we have for teaching you for the success of USMLE Step 1. Okay, we have Dr. Mary Dbash. Okay, she's of course one of the most famous ones that we have. She's a star faculty and she's also going to be involved in teaching you the immunology and the microbiology. Further, we have Dr. Vishal Saxena, who is an MD and he's one of the best renowned professor for pathology. Okay, we have a huge battery of doctors on the panel, but I'm just going to take you the top of the faculty names. Okay, we also have Dr. Pavan Soni. Okay, and he's of course teaching lots of subjects, and medical terminology has been one of the most likable subjects for everybody. We have Dr. Drew Kumar, who is one of the known renowned doctor teaching for embryology. Okay, we also have Dr. Wazir Kudrat, one of the most renowned professor. Everybody has heard about him, and he's he's naturally, I don't even need to tell you, he's the professor for physiology. We have Dr. Naga Darshan is the professor for the biochemistry, and he has taken lots and lots of live lectures on MOKSH platform. We also have Dr. Jack Wilson. Everybody knows he's the professor for anatomy for USMLE. These are the kind of professors accumulated. It will be kind of almost 75 to 80 years of experience minimum for the kind of panel that we are talking. We also have Dr. Carlo Raj. He's the professor for pathophysiology. We have Dr. Deep Sharma, who is from US. He's going to teach us epidemiology. We have Dr. Stephen Doherty, one of the most famous ones in India. He's of course always going to be there on the expert lectures and guidance sessions, and he's there on the panel for MOKSH. And in general, as a subject, he's generally teaching you behavioral science. As you already know Dr. Stephen, okay? I know he's one of the most famous ones in India. We also have a very senior doctor called Dr. Philip TTL. Again, you will be surprised that he's on MOKSH panel. Suddenly, such a large, eminent personalities on MOKSH panel. Dr. Philip has, of course, committed us that all the integrated courses based on the systems are going to be taken care by him. So we are going to introduce you the integrated courses videos by Dr. Philip on MOKSH platform. You'll enjoy it. Thank you.